Sass users have had this for 15 years. It's now native in CSS. No build tool, no preprocessor. Just write your selectors nested inside each other, and the browser handles it. In flat CSS, every selector for a component is disconnected. Card header, card body, card title, card button, they look like unrelated rules scattered around your file. You can't see at a glance that they all belong to the same component. Native CSS nesting works with the ampersand character, which refers to the parent selector. Everything inside .card is automatically scoped to it. No repetition. You can see the whole component's structure in one place. Nesting pseudo-classes is where it gets really powerful. Parent hover, affecting a child. Button states nested inside the card, all in one scoped block. You can even nest at media queries inside a selector. The media query is scoped to .card. No more jumping to the bottom of the file to find the responsive styles. Native CSS nesting. The ampersand selector. No Sass, no post CSS, no build step. Just open a CSS file and start nesting. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you the next one.